Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova Y70 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Firstly, go into Settings and tap on Bluetooth section. Now click on this switcher next to Bluetooth feature and just wait for all devices to show. Now click on the one that you wish to connect to and select pair. Then wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, just click on this gear icon next to the device, select unpair, and now it's disconnected. If you wish to connect to it again, just follow the same instructions. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!